nutrient is the place you're serving. Even your big projects are.
As part of my morning routine, I like to make sure I'm filling the gaps in my diet with essential nutrients. In steps Ritual, a vegan-friendly, gluten-free, USP-verified multivitamin specially made for women. Ritual supports brain health with a combination of omegas. It supports bone health with vitamin D and magnesium. It's a blood builder formulated with chelated iron, and it has antioxidants such as vitamin E. Ritual's ingredients are traceable, meaning we can see where it came from. Speaking of seeing, they created a see-through capsule so you can see all your nutrients and know exactly what's going in your body. For my fasters, you can take this multivitamin with or without food, as it's easy on the tummy. It even has a minty taste for a fresh experience. Let Ritual be a part of your morning ritual. Use this code for a discount on your order. Head to the description box and click the link to start your wellness journey right now.
Is that 16 bun up boy skin? Head tap, bust up and split.
Roll them around back inside down, keep them over the place. Back and together. School's out, my kid's graduated, she's leaving me, she's going to Florida for college. Oh! It's so sad, don't know, it's so sad! So your eyes are forward, your chin is up. Down, down, lengthen, straight. And squeeze up. Squeeze. And then she turned 18 last week too. I think about her as old child. What is that like? Right? Alright, we're gonna sit in a slow row. So sit down to you. We pull that shoe. To the knees and rise. Do it again. Do it again. Sit up on it, pull back. Elbows to the ear. Knees and rise. Alright, so you feel a little bit of squeeze in the lower back as you go in. Pull back to core and reset. Squeeze. Squeeze, pull it back. All the way up. Again. Now other low, pull. So again, direction up. Each shoulder start to go more. Arms, pull up. Right to lower chest. Alright, so we're gonna go slowly. Come up. We bend and push. Up. And down. Nice and smooth. Nice and slow. One more. Awesome. Reset. Now up to page 4. We push. Catch. So you keep the body close. And push right overhead, right? So above that. I need to raise the heels, right? Sit and draw through. And your knees and toes. Keep on coming now. Halfway. Yeah, more. Get a little lower. Just a little bit. Again. Down. Up. Okay, cross to the plate. Come up. Shift back. Right? Continue body pump to your plate. Let's go faster. Swing. Press. Catch. And tap it. Under. Push it. Catch it. Tap it. Step in. Down. So all that is the rolling lunge. We're gonna see something like this. Step. Running. One more time. And you hold. And that's it. Great job. Left. So if you really need one, because we're gonna be down before you come to it. Requires rolling back. 3, 2, and rise. So your toes are out, right? Turn out on the angle and sit. And your knees match up with your feet. Excellent. 3 more. 3, So your plate taking weight. And we come down, 2 and 2. Down, down, up, and up. So locking in right over back. And hold at the top. Now, sit up. Finish your bars. No more bars, guys. And your elbows over the place. Single time, go. And up. Open and close. So you gotta squeeze up the top. Squeeze up the top. Down and up. Let's come down to the knees. All good, guys. Bottom half pulse it 4 times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin tucked on front. Squeeze it. Press it. I think like 4. So you'll be able to recover. Bars up. We're going to start wide today. So feet are heels on the ground, right? 3, 2, got our body. And we hold. Place it down. Oh yeah. Go again. This is it. This is the last time you're going to play press. Why? Because we are going power. Power press now. Sink. 3, 2, 1. Now roll to your knees down. 3, 2, and 1. Take it up, go. Yeah. Push, oh yeah. Get down and double roll. 3, 2, and 1. Hands wide. Reset. Good job. Good job. Please one on your toe. Just one, right? You got this. Push it up, or down. 3, 2, and 1. Go again. We push. Bottom. Now keep. We're going to come up on our feet. Take it up. On your feet, please. Take the place. Upright roll. Upright roll. 2 back ways. 1. I need you to stay upright. Again. Nice and strong. Upright. Upright roll. Good. Push it up. And down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down. Now we're going to stack again. Knees over hips. You single leg drop to plate press. Out and in. Other side. Now press it up. 1 and down. 2 and down. So extend. Pull it in. Extend. Now plate press to the ceiling. Up and up. Now if you want to bend your knees where you drop. So again, point your toes, extend. Lengthen.
I'm ready to pull up on you into the just try to page.
So I'm back from the gym. I had a wonderful body pump session. If you have a Gold's Gym or a Les Mills class near you, I highly advise you take your body over there because you will get a workout like no other. I've never seen my body respond so quickly. Guess what? What's a video without a little Walmart? Like, not a video at all. So while I was in gym class, my ADHD brain was like, let's not focus on mind muscle connection. Let's think about what we're doing after. And I had the bright idea to stop at Walmart and get my son some flowers because today is his last day at school. He's going from 1st grade to 2nd grade in September. They're not doing graduation or anything, any ceremonies for some reason, but I want him to know that today is special and that he's doing remarkable. So, and I also picked up a little couple things. I re-upped on my creamer. I finished it today. I got 2 more intimate washes. This one is the Vagisil. I've had this one already. This is the Sensitive Sense Spring Lilac. I have just been loving these as body washes. I'm fresh for hours. Like, it neutralizes armpits, the little creases under your boobs, your toes, your butt. It's made to neutralize odor. So this one is one of my favorite smells. Oh. And I'm trying Summer's Eve. This one is an Amber Nice. This one smells really sexy. This smells like Bath and Body Works. If you want to smell fresh all day, get pH balance washes. You should be using pH balance products anyways for your shampoo, your face wash, your body wash, your coochie wash. I picked up this cap. I thought it was bomb. I realized like I've been slacking on my cap game. I used to be such a cap girl. So New York, son. I've left these in the car, but these are some tamarind balls my mom had bought me. If you're West Indian, you know what tamarind balls are. And my mom gave me some jackfruit. So sweet, juicy. I don't know how to explain it. It's a tropical fruit. Have you ever had jackfruit? So my son has a half a day today. I'm gonna eat and head out and meet him there and surprise him because dad is supposed to get him today. But I just want to be there and just let him know I'm always thinking about him. So I don't feel for any eggs or anything. I'm gonna do something light. I want to get some protein in after my workout. This is the Vanilla Oikos 000 Greek yogurt. This has 15 grams of protein in 1 cup. Amazing, great source of fiber. I'm gonna do 2 of them. I think they're like 150 calories each, if I remember. But yeah, I'm on a mission to like finish out everything I have in my fridge before buying new. I'm an alternate day faster, and yesterday was my fast. I did a 36-hour fast. So proud of myself. Every time I get through a fast, I'm proud of myself. And I hope you're proud of yourself as well for any wellness goals you complete, whether big or small. They all matter and they add up. All your small wins add up to a large makeover, mentally, physically, spiritually. So never knock the 2-pound weight loss. Don't knock the 1 day you had off from the 4 days you had on. Like, all of your actions matter. I'm gonna add some blueberries. These blueberries have been in my fridge for a little minute. I was gonna make this like a complete voiceover, but you know I can't not talk to you. Like, I have to talk to you. You're special to me. You watching this, you're special to me. And if you have children, I care about them too. Especially the babies. I'm gonna add some granola. Here's that yummy crunch. Baby, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. And I'm gonna add this Badia Whole Trilogy Flax, Chia, and Hemp Seed Mix. Wonderful source of omega-3s. The only thing I don't like is the chia seeds get stuck in my teeth. A nice yummy yogurt bowl. Bon appetit. This is just a denim button-up Old Navy, some vintage ASOS pants, super comfy, and then like a bra crop top. It's a little more school appropriate. I'm gonna re-up on some fragrance. So I'm gonna go with Girl of Now Shine. This is a sweet honey almond perfume. Very intense, don't need much. And it smells delicious. Super sweet. If you like sweet fragrances, yeah, Girl of Now by Elisab. Yeah, that's the scent of the day. Honestly, I couldn't even finish the yogurt. Like, well, that's as finished as it's gonna get. I was like forcing myself, honestly. I couldn't take any more. These are from Walmart. As you can see, me and Walmart have a relationship. I love Walmart. It's right cute, yeah? Grab my bag, my phone. These are the flowers I got from my baby. I wanted to get something like as gender neutral as possible. And he loves red, so some red carnations in his life. He deserves it. It's 11:42. It's about to not be morning anymore. And you've seen I've done a lot in a little bit of time, or maybe not, I don't know. But I like to thank you so much for joining me on my gym morning routine. I highly encourage you to get up, get out, and get some exercise. It's so beneficial for your heart health, your body shaping, your dream body that you want, and just to build endorphins, look good, feel good. It all works hand in hand. If you're interested in trying out Ritual multivitamins, go ahead and check the description box for my code down below so you can save some cash. You like vitamins like I do. That's the one to check out right there. Perfect multi. I'm gonna go congratulate my baby. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.